Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? This is Abhijit here, and welcome to DevOps Challenge Hub. And let's start with today's interview question. Today's interview question is: you need to update a production RDS instance using CloudFormation, but you can't afford downtime. How do you approach this? So, how will you approach this thing? And there can be follow-up question that explain CloudFormation's update behavior, like no interruption, some interruption, and replacement. So it will be like they may ask about CloudFormation update behavior, what kind of update behaviors are there. So let's have a look at the sample answer for the first question. You need to update a production RDS instance using CloudFormation, but can't afford downtime. How do you approach this? So let's say we can say that we are running production workload on AWS with MySQL on RDS, and traffic was high, and the app was starting to feel the heat, and uh, there was less storage, and we were seeing from the CPU metrics that it was hitting almost the limits. So we wanted to uh, upgrade. So we have outgrown from our DB T3 medium. We have to upgrade to T3 large. Also, we need to increase the storage. So these are the two things we need to do: increase storage and scale up the DB3 large. But what is the catch? That no downtime allowed. So first is the safety first. First, you have to take a snapshot. That is the first step. Take the backup of RDS instance because it's a production data. Second thing is run a CloudFormation change set. So I duplicated our stack and then modified only the storage and instance class parameter and ran a change set. So change set is like a preview plan, like Terraform plan kind of. So you can see what it is going to do, what it is going to affect, and how the change behavior, whether it's no interruption or there will be some download or it's a total replacement, some interruption, that kind of details it will show. So that is the change set. It's like a Terraform plan. So I ran a CloudFormation change set. And then I noticed that storage increase, it's no interruption. There won't be any problem. I can increase the storage. But instance class, there will be some interruption, brief downtime. So that is not acceptable. That's what our requirement, that no download time. So what I did, I created a blue-green deployment. Blue-green deployment using read replica. So read replica means I created a duplicate instance, a read replica using CloudFormation, using T3 large, and let it fully sync. So once it's fully synced, only it will be able to do only read. Then divert the traffic during night time 2 a.m. when the traffic was lowest. Nighttime traffic is lowest to our server, and that time then I change the read replica to read write. So I promoted the replica to be new primary, updated the app's DB endpoint. We used RDS proxy, so switch was smooth, and we were live in less than a minute. And one more thing we did, but before doing all this, we ran all the tests in the pre-pod environment, our staging environment, and then we discovered that because of our legacy service, we had some hard-coded endpoint in the DB. So instead of reading from the environment, it was hard-coded. So we fixed that in time so that there was no problem in the production. So what are the key points? First point is that take a backup since it's a production. That is the first point. Second point is make a change set, create a CloudFormation template and update that whatever configuration you want to update, that is the CPU and storage, and see what it is going to affect, whether you can do without downtime. So you have taken the backup. Now you run the change set, and you came to know that there will be some downtime because of the CPU instance change, type change, T3 medium to T3 large. Then you go for blue-green deployment, create a read replica, so whole things get copied. Then before that, and then you also ran on the test on the staging because you can't do testing on the prod. So staging, you found that there is some problem. Test in the staging, even if it is downtime, there is no problem. There is no hurry. You take time to fix it, and then you fix the issue that it was hard coded. And if it is a fine, it's fine, no issue. and then you updated that in the environment. Finally, I did on the production and switch the traffic mid night time. Then updated the DB endpoint and made it a replica to the new primary, that is the read write time. So this is the approach. Okay, I hope it's clear. If it's not clear, again you can go back and listen once again. So this way you can answer. It's from your own experience you can answer and you approach the problem in a structured way. And then next question is, what is the update behavior? What is the update behavior for CloudFormation? So like Terraform plan, you see what's going to change, what is going to delete it, what's going to. So similarly, update behavior, there can be no resource, no interruption. Resources will be updated in place without affecting availability. Some interruption, resource is updated in place, but it becomes temporarily unavailable. Maybe if you have some 5-10 minutes, it will be unavailable. Replacement, it will be totally destroyed and recreated. Data loss or downtime will be there if it's not handled carefully. So these are the three things are there. No interruption, some interruption, total replacement. What is the example of no interruption? It's a change is a minor. For example, if we update the storage, no interruption in most DB engines for RDS supports online storage scaling. RDS supports online storage scaling. So allocate storage 100 GB, allocate we may update to 150 GB. So this update will be no interruption. Then some interruption, the resource is updated in place, but it may experience a brief outage. So it is DB-T3 medium, like upgrading DB2 T3 medium to DB-T3 large. So CPU class, instance class, we are updating. There will be some instance because instance certainly restarts the database. So it will restart. It will restart it. And replacement, its old resource is deleted, completely deleted, and new one will be created. So this is high risk if not managed with the strategies like blue-green deployment, read replicas, RDS snapshots. So this is a high risk. So you have to take proper backup, etc. For example, this is the instance, you are in the availability zone 1A and you want to do it in availability zone 1B. So machine is here in like Mumbai North and you are going to create in Mumbai South, right? Then machine you have to just destroy this and do it in another location. So it's a complete replacement, availability zone, right? So these are the three options. So how to check that before deployment? You have to do create a change set. Again, we in the Terraform we do Terraform plan, right? Here from command line you can do, or you can from console also you can do. AWS CloudFormation create change set. Stack name my stack template body, whatever YAML file you have, and then you change it, and then it will tell you this preview which resources are modified in place, replaced, and unaffected. It will show resource what will happen. Right? So based on that, you take a call. So let's go to the quiz section. You need to scale RDS instance from medium to large. What type of behavior will CloudFormation likely apply? No interruption, full replacement, some interruption, no effect. So we have seen that there will be some interruption. Answer is C. What is the safest first step before making production updates to CloudFormation manage RDS instance? Delete the old instance, take a manual snapshot of DB, disable CloudFormation rollback, update. So answer is B. Take manual snapshot of DB. Because it's a production, it's better to take manual snapshot of DB. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And follow my DevOps Challenge webpage. I post quiz contest daily, and you can participate in that. And you can also follow my WhatsApp channel, and I provide different kind of updates and some live mock test or mock interviews, etc. Also, you will get a notification on my WhatsApp channel. So please subscribe to my WhatsApp channel. Thank you for watching this video, and see you again in the next video.